nouns, singular nouns, and plural nouns. As you all know, noun is a one or more than one person, place, animal, or thing. Dog, dogs. Here dog is a singular noun, and dogs is a plural noun. A noun that refers only one person, place, animal, or thing is called a singular noun. Example for singular noun is cake, toy, goat. A noun that refers more than one person, place, animal, or thing is called a plural noun. Example for plural noun is cakes, toys, goats. Now let us learn rules for forming plural nouns. Rule number 1. For most of the nouns, add s at the end of the singular noun. Some of the examples are tree, trees, book, books, girl, girls, cap, caps. Rule no. 2. Nouns ending with o, s, x, z, sh or ch, we add es for plural nouns. Some of the examples are box, boxes, mango, mangoes, bus, buses, dish, dishes. Rule number 3. Nouns ending with consonant followed by y. Changing y into I and then add es. Butterfly, butterflies, bunny, bunnies. Some more examples are story, stories, study, studies, puppy, puppies, city, cities, lady, ladies. Rule no. 4. Nouns that end in a vowel followed by y change into plural form, just adding s. Some of the examples are key, keys, boy, boys. Rule number 5. Some irregular plurals do not follow the standard rules. Some examples are man, men, tooth, teeth, life, lives, leaf, leaves, goose, geese, wife, wives, half, halves, child, children, foot, feet, knife, knives. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Please support.